rising minds. Today we are going to have a look at amphibians. Yikes! What are amphibians? An amphibian is a cold-blooded vertebrate animal that of class that comprises the frogs, toads, newts, salamanders, and caecilians. They are distinguished by having an aquatic gill breathing larval stage followed by typically a terrestrial lung breathing adult stage. Now let's have a look at these frogs. There are many types. Frogs are amphibians that are known for their jumping abilities, croaking sounds, bulging eyes, and slimy skin. Ew, slimy. Let me just explain more. See, frogs have 4 limbs and have a look over here. I've put 2 images. See, look at their bulging eyes. Look at their skin. Look at their see. That's how they do it. See, they can jump. Look, this frog is ready for an action in jumping. Wait, these two are poisonous because poison has a warning if they are like different colors rather than green. If they are green, they are nice. If they have different colors and green, then it means they are deadly and poisonous. That's what we are going to talk about in the next slide. Are frogs poisonous? Yes, frogs are poisonous too, as I told. But the most poisonous animal in the world is a golden poison dart frog. Anyone who's watching that movie, huh, I'm just telling the most poisonous frog. Look, it's fully covered with golden skin. You don't think it as valuable, but you should think it as poisonous. Yikes. Okay, now let's have a look at the next type, which is toads. A toad is a common name for certain frogs, especially of the family Buffondidae. Now let's just continue. They are characterized by dry, leathery skin and large bumps covering the paranoid glands. The parotid gland is an external skin gland on the back, neck, and shoulder of the toads. Okay, got it? Look, see a man holding 2 toads. They are very fat. Now let's have a look at salamanders and newts. Salamanders are a group of amphibians, typically characterized like a lizard-like appearance with slender bodies, blunt snouts, short limbs projecting right at angles to the body, and presence of a tail in both larvae and adults. A newt is a salamander in the subfamily Pleurodilin. Pleurodilin. Very difficult. Now, let's have a look at the caecilians. Caecilians are a group of limbless, veriform or serpentine amphibians. They mostly live hidden in the ground and in stream substrates, making them the least familiar order of amphibians. They are the only animal which still lives today with a sucking mouth. They're like snakes. They look and behave like worms, but they actually eat worms.
Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe